Right, so today we're going to look at a slightly more complex compound path in Photoshop. So you may have seen some of my earlier tutorials where I show you how to draw a path around an object, okay, like this one. And obviously from that we can make a selection and do a really accurate cutout. Okay, and that path is saved, we can adjust it, it's all vectors, so we're really precise with it. Now the problem we have with more complex shapes like this one in particular, okay, we've got some holes in the middle. So obviously these want to be transparent too, so we want to sort of cut them out. So what I've done is draw around the bits in the middle as well. Okay, but obviously when I'm clicking my selection, it's only going around the outside. So what we need to do is cut these shapes out of that outer shape. Okay, so it's a bit like in Illustrator, if those have used it before, creating compound paths. So you might be familiar, but it is a slightly different process. Okay, so let's just run through what we need to do with each one of these paths. Okay, so I'm going to select the old path itself, and I'm going to basically click on each one of these little sort of holes that I want to cut out, and this is going to be the same process for each one. I'm going to select it, I'm going to come over to my control bar, and here I want to subtract the front shape. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the stacking order and bring shape to front, because within these paths, when you've got multiple paths in one, there is a stacking order. It's not as visual as layers or anything else, but there is a stacking order. So basically I need to go around each one, subtract front shape, bring shape to front. So I've got quite a few little picky little bits in here. Subtract front, bring that to front. Can't remember which ones I've done now. Have I done this one? Yeah, I've done that one already. Just check I've brought it to the front. This one, subtract, bring shape to front. Okay, let's have a look. Right, I think there's another little one there that I did. Yeah, subtract front shape, bring to front. Oh, there's one more there. Look, little shape. So there's quite a few little paths that I want to do here. Subtract and then bring to front. Okay, so now with a bit of luck, when I click on the path and make the selection, you can see it's not only gone around the outside, but it's selecting the inside. And then if I just go to edit, copy, edit and paste, and have a quick look in my layers, just turn these two layers off I don't need here, you can see it's completely transparent in those areas. So that's what's called a compound path, so merging separate paths together. So we don't just draw them, we just need to do that extra little bit of cutting them out and bring them to the front.